Hey guys, how's it going? How to point a domain to IP in GoDaddy. So go to the official website of GoDaddy, navigate towards my product, and find the domain that you want to point to an IP address. Click on DNS or Manage DNS next to the domain, and then edit a record in the DNS management page. Locate the A record, and then click on the pencil icon, edit next to the existing A record, and then update your IP address, and enter the new IP address in the points to field, and then ensure the host field is set to @ to point the domain itself. Click save and apply the changes, and add additional record if needed. So changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate fully, and although they typically update much sooner. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.